Hello there. Welcome again to the Lazy Question Show where I pick one of your questions and answer you live. So, this question from Javier who says, "Can you make a video on how to use transparency on Xref? I like to half tone my floor plans when doing electricals." Great question, Javier. So let me answer that with my best AutoCAD tips and tricks. The first way that we can change the Xref transparency in AutoCAD is by using the options. So by typing the shortcut OP, so we will have an option over here under options dialog box to change our Xref transparency. In this case, it's called Xref display. Right now we can see it's 0, but if we change that to something like maybe 50 and hit apply and OK, we're gonna see that immediately our Xrefs, in this case the title block, it's looking very light, right? Also, if we go to model space and we see that there is another Xref over here, if you don't know if it's an Xref or not, you can go to your properties and you can see that's an external reference. So that means this is simply another drawing that I'm using as a reference here. Again, it's very light. So that's a nice way to differentiate between a regular drawing and also from an Xref. The problem with this way is that this is only a display trick. If you try to print this, right, with Control P, you can see that if I do a preview, the title block Xref as well as the floor plan Xref is not looking actually very light. So the transparency is not working at all. Why? Because this is only to change the display, so how it looks, but it's not gonna print lighter. So that's where the next tricks are gonna be handy to know. So how to change the transparency on your layer? So the way we do it is first finding under the properties the name of our Xref. In this case, we can see the name is Lazy Arquitecto Base Plan, right? So that's very important to know. And now we can open the layer palette with the shortcut LA. And under the Xref option, we can expand that out, go to our correct Xref, in this case, Lazy Base Plan. And now let me expand this so you can see better. So over here, what we can do is select all of our layers by using the Control A on our keyboard. And then there's gotta be an option if we keep scrolling or moving to change the transparency. It's right here. Says transparency. So again, we're only selecting the layers on our base plan. Make sure you're doing that. And then let's click on one of these numbers and we will have the following dialog box. Says layer transparency. We have a range from 0 to 90. Let's change it to something about 75, for instance, and click OK. You can see immediately the change, right, on your Xref. The beauty of this is that now when we print, this should print lighter. Let's test it. So Control P. So let's do a preview here by clicking over here, and boom, as you can see, your Xref or your external reference base plan is now showing lighter. And that was the question from our friend Javier Campos. He wanted to do a half tone to his floor plans when doing electricals. Right? So let me show you now the next Xref transparency trick. And this is going to be using your CTB or plot style. For people who don't know, a plot style is basically a AutoCAD file that has the CTB extension file that you can use to control how your layers, your colors are going to print, if they are going to print lighter or darker, depending again on a color. So for instance, if I do Control P, here is where you will find your CTV file, right? So right now I have this ATA full CTV. Again, this is also called plot style and is mostly used on offices. So if we click over here on this edit option, we can see all of the different colors and how the screening and also the pen values are for each different color. So for instance, if I, again, this is only for this CTV file specific. So if I pick the color red and assign it to one of my AutoCAD objects, it's gonna be 100% screening. But if I picked another color like color 8, you can see that screening is now 95%. And if I keep finding different colors, I'm gonna find 211 over here, color 211. You can see that the screening again is 50. So that's why I'm gonna use this color to change my Xref transparency. And let's see how it works. Color 211. So I'm gonna cancel this and I'm gonna cancel this. So let me go now to my layer properties manager. Make sure you are selecting your base plan that you want to change the transparency. And then let's again select all with the Control A shortcut. So once we select all of our layers, we can change the color over here. I'm gonna click this one, and then I'm gonna change all of those layers to color 211, like so, and I can simply click OK. So as you can see, all of the colors for this specific Xref were changed to 211 according to my plot style that we checked that has the screening to 50%. And now if we go to paper space and do a preview with the shortcut PRE, boom, you can see our Xref is showing very, very light. And that's what, again, our friend Javier Campos was asking about.